All right, guys, I'm back. We are going to do what I call the plus drill. Now you see there's quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it doesn't matter what order you have these in. I've kind of flipped them over because my screen's backwards. So nonetheless, those are my numbers here, and I'm gonna walk you through the steps to do the drill, and then in another video, I'll actually be doing it, okay? So we're gonna start on the 1 here. We're gonna do 15 seconds of me jumping back and forth between 1 and 2, okay? So we're just gonna jump back and forth. I'm just gonna go about 5 or 6 times just to show you. So we're just gonna go to 2, 1, and you can just have a line there and jump back and forth. Whatever, you know, you don't need quadrants, but that's gonna help us later. So if you can just visualize jumping back and forth across the line, you're gonna do that for 15 seconds. So just jumping back and forth between quadrant 1, quadrant 2, okay? And then I'll do that in a little bit for 15 seconds, all right? Now, we're gonna go 3, which is jumping forward and back across the line. So I'm gonna go 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, okay? Earlier, I did 1, 2, so I was going sideways. Now I'm gonna go 1, 3, which is going back and forth, okay? So I'm gonna go 1, 3, okay? 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So I'm just going back and forth for 15 seconds. How many times I do it may be different than you, okay? You may be really fast. You're gonna get it way more times. That's fine, okay? I'm gonna do that for 15 seconds. Now, I've gone sideways with 1 and 2. I've gone back and forth with 1 and 3. Now I need to go sideways with 2 and 3, okay? I'm sorry, with 1 and 4, because I'm gonna start in 1. 1 to 4, okay? 4, 4, 1, 4, okay? So we're diagonal, jumping forward and sideways, and back and sideways, okay? So we've gone side to side, back and forth, diagonal to our right, which on screen I'm backwards, but now we're gonna go diagonal left. So I'm gonna start on 2 and jump to 3. So I'm going forward and left, and back and right. Forward and left, back and right. Forward and left, back and right, okay? So review real quick. I went from 1 to 2, that's sideways. Again, you don't need the number your floor. I wouldn't do that. Just use like a ruler or a pencil. We're jumping back and forth. Now we're going to jump forward. 1 to 3. Okay, we've jumped forward. Now we're forward and right. Forward and right. Goes bring me to 4, then back. Forward and right, and back. Forward and right, and back. Okay. Now I need to go over to number 2. So I can go forward and left. We'll go forward and left to 3. Okay? Now you're gonna do each one of these for 15 seconds each, and then rest for 30 seconds. We'll rest for around 30 seconds. Okay? And then I'm gonna do it again. Okay? So that's 2.5 minutes of heart rate. Okay? We'll do these on Thursday or Friday, whichever class you're in, okay? We have the dots on Monday, Tuesday. We have our plus on Thursday, Friday as a cardio. So all we're gonna do, easy peasy. Takes 2.5, 3 minutes. All right, my heart's beating pretty good. I'm going to take a break and I will video me doing the exact whole thing for you here in just a minute.